Hey, this is Tay Musslewhite with Kimberlite Digital Marketing. We can be found at Digital Kimberlite, that's KIMBERLITE.com. We make your business work for you. Kimberlite is where diamonds are found, and that's what we do for your business. We help you find more customers. We help you keep the customers that you found. We help you with employee engagement and finding the right employees and the tools for business that make your business work for you. What we're going to do today in this video post is talk about how and why you should start using AI. You may have heard about the recent Chat GPT phenomenon. It's an incredible product. It went to like 100 million users in record time. And what has happened recently is they've updated the model. So let's take a look at what's going on with GPT-4, as it's called. When we compare GPT-4 to GPT-3, so this is 3.5 on one side, and then this is GPT-4 here. The long and short of it is this. This AI model is now passing very rigorous tests that are a measure of competency in or qualifications in our society. Take a look at the LSAT. Scored in the 88th percentile on the LSAT. Now, this wasn't going back and looking at past tests. This was actually taking the test. So it's figuring these questions out and answering them. You know, things like the GRE, the SAT, I mean, just some incredible results. Interestingly, when GPT-3 and maybe 3.5, you know, just in the last few months or several months, the scores have improved dramatically. When we take a look at the LSAT, just several months ago, they were in the 40th percentile. Now they're in the 88th. When we look at SAT, they're in the 70th and 87th percentile a few months ago. Now they're in the 89th and 93rd. Just incredible. And in fact, it passed the bar. Latest version, ACES bar exam with score nearing 90th percentile. This is the ABA journal, the American Bar Association journal, with two people talking about it passing the July 2022 bar exam. Just incredible. So actually, when we take a look, like, what is Chat GPT? So I actually asked Chat GPT, what is Chat GPT? And it talks about it being introduced in June of 2020. And for some context, you know, this talks about everything that it's done with parameters and what it is. For context, think of in real world applications that you may have seen already is when your iPhone serves you up cool pictures of, hey, on this day last year, or places that you go or people that you went with, and it will show you those memories. That is what's happening. That is actually artificial intelligence working on your iPhone. For context, when I was first exposed to this in 2018 at the Google Cloud Summit in Chicago, it was at Navy Pier, and this is what they were talking about. They introduced Cloud Auto ML. At that time, I was just astounded that you could sign up for a free account and get an hour of machine language usage. At that time, what they were doing, and the example that they gave is loading up some pictures, helping the machine learn what they are, but the whole goal was to identify the type of cloud that was in the picture. And it learned with, they did like 3 examples, and one was in the 88th percentile, something like that. One was low 90s, and another was in the high 90s of being able to identify what type of cloud was in a picture. When you think about what's going on in your iPhone, it's recognizing faces, places, tons of things to serve you these incredible things. And I love them. I love sharing them with friends and family because they're super cool. But that's a practical application that you can see every day in just 5 short years what's going on. So that's kind of why, like, when you talk about what Chat GPT can do, any sort of data entry, kind of rote work, things in creatives where you're having to create a lot of content, make posts, things like that, you got to take a look at how you can make your business work for you and how your job can be easier using these technologies. The first place to start, let's look at that. How do you start? The first thing to do is go to chat.openai.com and log in or sign up. So get started. There's a free plan. That is still using the older model. The paid one is the newest that I've been referencing with all those amazing stats, but it's still super cool to use. In fact, that's what I used, to ask this question. This is the free version. The next thing to do is look at products that you're already using. So, in terms of something that I use for my work, I use a product called Canva. It's really, really cool and super intuitive to help someone like me be able to design things. What they've got is you can make an AI generated image by typing in something like a panda surfing a wave, something that would never happen, but now they've got pictures of panda surfing a wave. One that I am highly anticipating is Google Bard. Their announcements about this are that they're holding back a little bit. They want to make sure that it is right before it's in a lot of people's hands. And I think that's right because just the fact of the scale of users that Google has. This is going to come to your Gmail account, and you can sign up here to join the waitlist. Another place to look is this is currently available in Bing.com, and they got a lot of press for this because they are using Chat GPT. You've probably heard, or they're using GPT. You've probably heard that Microsoft is a big investor in this company now, and they've integrated. I invite you to go try it and see what you think. The next thing is, speaking of Bing, a free or a alternative to Canva is you can go to bing.com/create, and you have to join, but then you can use Bing Create to create images. These are completely generated images. Last but not least, in terms of creative work, things like that, again, look at products you're already using. In my case, Unbounce, a landing page service that I use, acquired a company that does called Snazzy AI, but now they call it Smart Copy. And I've been using this for since the acquisition, so a couple or 3 years now, and it helps you write things and create content. In closing, I just want to thank you for watching the video. Again, my name's Tay Musslewhite. I can be reached here at digitalkimberlite.com. Start now. It's also in the link at the top of this video. I'd love to help with your digital transformation, getting you the right tools to help your business work for you, hiring the right people, and of course, digital marketing to get you more customers. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.